Hey guys, welcome to episode 2. Today we're going to be installing the SoCal carbon fiber and Alcantara steering wheel. This mod I've been waiting for about 6 months, so I'm pretty excited. They were absolutely swamped over Christmas to get all their supplies out, so I'm really excited to get this installed in my car.
It's Corona time!
Oh my god. Sup?
Hi there, friend.
How are
The
you?
world's coming to an end.
I know. Nah. Can't figure it out already, so you're going to a Google, are you? Yeah, you've only been here for what, a minute? The neighbours are gonna hate it.
Alright, I think we should disconnect the battery. The airbag won't blow up in my face now.
Someone's angry. I've got smaller screwdrivers.
I just need something that's skinny because I'm skinny and long. This is
You're asking the wrong guy for that, mate. Oh!
what? I'm just small. Alright, so that's everything off. Now let's go to your steering wheel.
So, all done.
Let's get this in the car.
Oh, look at that, mate. Even a detailer right here. Finishing off with a clean. This is like genuine Kia service.
I'm a genuine Korean man. Should we go for a drive?
Yeah, let's go for a drive. This feels way nicer. Oh my god, far out. It feels so sick. Holy. It feels mean. It just makes that whole driver feel like 10 times better. It feels like a real driver's car now. It's even like thinner in certain places.
Yeah.
That's so sick. It's so sick. Oh, shit. Yep, still just as responsive. Cheers for the help, bro.
Always got you, man.
And that's it, steering wheel mod all done. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys next time.